Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Principal Shillong College ka kong Kharkongor kalapan pau ka jingkaman haba ka Shillong College Kawainigi College ha Meghalaya kanyo ika Grade A plus na ka National Assessment and Accreditation Council Bangalore mentaus nem arhajar arpulay. Kakong Kharkongor kalapan pau bahadian bakla Shimti kong ka Principal jong ka Shillong College kalawan ka klam COVID kat kandai Hynrei ka klampoy perkat baka college kanyo jenggerku bakanyo ika Grade A plus. Yakini gikantian kalapan pa ba ay jingkran ha kajingya lang sngongu balayo Grade A plus ka Shillong College kabala long menta kasingi ka pratrek unay tong arajar akulay ha ka hall jong kanihi ka college ha kajingya don nang kinohikay ki samla puli ki principal bala syang than pat ki bala sya khot sngoba ki ba ay jingkran na kani kasingi ki long ba bi senram vice principal Shillong College ba bi marbo president governing body Shillong College Komanshipan kan mau ka Shillong College kalayo ka Grade A house nam arajar kan Rio hadien balawan jurep ka NAAC na Bangalore.
Privileged, honored, proud, yet humbled to be in your midst, to celebrate and share this great milestone that we have achieved for being accredited as Grade A with CGPA of 3.33 by NAC Bangalore after the peer team visit on 12th and 13th of June 2023. I look back and thank our founders, principals, former principals. Sir KD is here, Madam MP Arlingdo, Dr. MD. I thank our former principals, our retired teachers who are here. Because you have built and shaped this institution, keeping public interest in mind. I thank you all for instilling in us the love and sense of belongingness to the institution. That Shillong College is our second home, motivating all of us now to collectively give our best. Yes, every institution has a life of its own, and it responds to what we give to it. Give it love, and it will sustain us for years. Build it up, and it will reward us with best returns. I also give thanks to the Almighty for Shillong College. He has blessed us abundantly. He answered our prayers, and for our achievement, I am very grateful. I give thanks to God and our Almighty. Yes, the NAC process. This has always been, our motivating factor, something that for teachers, for non-teaching staff, something that we knew we had to do it, but we also hated this word at the same time. We thank our former principals, they push us to the limits to prepare for the NAC process. It was a word, that we didn't like it, we hated it. We didn't like it. But at the same time, it was this nag, which motivated us to do the best. We scored an A in 2016, and now we are at an A+, where that plus jumps at us, and we are celebrating, making us one of the colleges in the state to be accredited with an A+. The preparations for the NAC started in 2016. It started right after the declaration of our results, accredited results in that year. We started. But I believe with this result, with all the hardships, the difficult situation that we faced during the COVID, Shillong College benefited. We constructed, we built our infrastructure. Teachers, we came out of our comfort zone. We met the challenges of online classes, Then we had our webinars, we organized training program that propelled us to come out of our comfort zone. IQAC meetings were held online. So COVID, in one way, benefited us. It benefited us. We became experts. And now I proudly say that I'm very good at my age in terms of using technology. So in all this process, I thank each and every stakeholder. With feedbacks from the NAC peer team, I can tell it today that our SSR is one of the best in the country. I think they deserve a big round of applause.
This is the proudest moment in the history of Shillong College. When we get to meet like this in a Thanksgiving ceremony to celebrate the well-deserved achievement in becoming the only college in the state so far to be graded A+ in the latest cycle. On this momentous occasion, I wish to thank the entire college community who has collectively made this to happen. Of course, a big thank you goes to the dedicated team of teachers and non-teaching staff who have been specially tasked to undertake the immense and immeasurable task. The activities related to the preparations of the NAC team visit and accreditation. Thank you and a big congratulations. Your hard work, not to mention an occasional tear, has brought out the most gratifying result. That we work, that we strive to do better each day. Let me say that after decades of being considered as just another college in the town of Shillong, today Shillong College has been propelled to the top spot. I was told that phones were ringing. Even my phone also was ringing for quite some time after we got the result. People were asking, how did we do it? So let us allow ourselves to briefly bask in the glory we have just achieved. Shillong College, your time has come.